Muchas gracias. En Estudios Centrales nos encontramos en el colegio.
Without so much as a warning, life hangs in the balance. Human endeavor turns to chaos. And within seconds, nothing will ever be the same. Ever. I'm Ron Pitts. Our team has pulled together 30 of the most unbelievable minutes of destruction ever caught on camera. Firefighters rush into a burning home seconds before an explosion lifts it off its foundation. And two race car drivers are lucky to be alive after a mid-track collision results in a spectacular high-speed crash. Prepare to be blown away because things are about to get destroyed in seconds. A TV news team covers Election Day in Riobamba, Ecuador. On-scene reporters are trained to be ready for anything.
Osvaldo, buenas noches.
But there's no way to prepare for this. A dropped artillery shell in an ammunition depot sparks a chain reaction of explosions. Within seconds, tons of grenades, mortars, and even missiles are ignited, creating a mushroom cloud that hovers over one of Ecuador's largest cities. Here's the view from a soccer game several miles from the inferno. But it's the people nearest the depot whose lives are in danger. TV reporter Juan Gutierrez is covering the voting at a nearby polling place when the initial blast hits.
Nos encontramos en el colegio.
Bystanders run for cover amidst the dust and debris. But the blasts continue. Chaos hits the streets as residents rush to evacuate the city. Flying projectiles set off explosions throughout the area. Even those who try to escape in their cars aren't safe. In a nearby field, a young man has gotten too close to the danger zone. Good Samaritans take the injured to a nearby hospital. A military officer urges the few remaining residents to leave. 25 minutes after it all began, the streets are nearly deserted. The big blasts have ended, but the crackle of exploding ammunition continues for hours. When the drama is finally over, Army teams find dozens of unexploded grenades in the streets and fields. The city is effectively shut down for days. At least 300 people are injured and 7 are killed. Damages from this disaster total $80 million. The annual